I'm gonna sneak up on Maisley. See what kind of mess she's into. Look, he's there. This little girl, y'all. Hi, Maisley. Say hi. You been puking on your mama anymore? You're making a hit on YouTube. You are. This is her little play area. Look what she's done. Did you do this again? You didn't do this, did you? This is where the critter plays. I ain't gonna get you, Lindsay. This is the critter toys. I mean, just look, Maisley's toys. She cooks her food right there. She tried to cook me something one day, y'all, but I don't think her fire is... Yeah, it works. Your stove works good. You got plenty of propane in it. You do? Look at this. This is Maisley. She gets in her toys and just plays. Say hi.
But the country wants to get back to work.
Say hi, people.
The country was built to get back to work. We don't have a country where they say, hey, let's close it down for 2 years. We can't do that. It's not our country. So
did she flip it off? I'm sorry, y'all. She just gave the camera a bird. Don't flip the camera off, young lady. Maisley. Maisley. This is Baby's Revenge Part 2. Look at this. She done that on purpose. Maisley!
I have had so many people.
I'm going to leave you alone. Bye. Bye.
They want to practice no handshaking.
I'm out of here.